reading, or when we want to do something. And I like when we do read to someone. I like it because you can use it for doing, like, practicing your reading. And I put it out here so my teacher knows that I like it. In the parking lot, we have the deltas and stuff, and like we use the deltas for, like, if we like to spend more time on things and stuff like that, and like if we don't like something and we want to change the schedule up and things like that. We use the parking lot for like ahas and stuff, and like the ahas if we like finally got it and things like that, and like if like you write it if you like see things that are good and doing things like that. We use the aha for like if we like something in the class or we like how something's going in the class. We use questions for like when can we do reader's theater, or when can we do work on writing and quote squares, and can we have snacks before spelling. Hi, we're doing the parking lot and we're doing the questions today. We usually put the can we have snack before spelling because we all want snack before spelling. We're so hungry, and then we usually have a class vote who wants snack before spelling or who doesn't. We get to use the parking lot when it's snack time, or when it's time when we're not learning. We get to use the parking lot in the morning at morning meeting because it's a good time, and that's when she goes over all the questions.
I do not like ants, and there are ants all over the place in the girls' bathroom. So what do you think we could do about this? Raise your hand. What do you think we could do? Olivia?
Well, I already called Fran, and she said that if they start getting like really bad, she'll start taking care of them.
Okay. Bridget?
And maybe Amanda could take the vacuum and vacuum them up.
Okay. One thing I did notice was, especially at snack time, if we make sure we pick up our crumbs, that way they don't come into our classroom, okay? Especially over there where it's kind of hard to vacuum. Alright, boys and girls, so this one says, I think we should spend a little more time on literacy. Does anyone want to give me any more information about that? Brandon?
Because we usually do it real quick when we go to another activity. I think we should stay for at least half an hour or 45 minutes.
Are you talking about our daily 5 choice and building our stamina on that? Okay. Because our literacy block is still an hour and a half, but you want the daily 5 choice to be a little bit longer? So we were saying, like, read to someone, you'd like it to be more like half an hour. Okay. Raise your hand if you would like your daily 5 time to be a little bit longer for your choice. Alright, that looks like everybody. Okay, hands down. Alright, so this question was, why do we have to do word work? I like doing work on writing. Raise your hand if you can tell me why we do word work. Carson?
Because we need to have better work on word work, because if we don't work on our word work, then when we get older, we won't know a lot of words and then we'll just be assessed.
Why else is it important to do word work? Olivia?
So you can practice your spelling words.
And why do you think that would be important to practice word work so you can use that during writer's workshop? Maddie?
Because when you get older, like when you're in high school, you're not going to know the words.
Yeah, or even now in 2nd grade, if you don't know how to spell that word and during writer's workshop, it can slow you down. So that's why we do word work, so you can build your spelling words, so you can spell all kinds of words correctly. So we need that in order to do writer's workshop. Brandon?
And you can use it to build like your writing stamina.
Yeah, build your stamina. Okay. When can we do quilt squares? Can we do them instead of math games? Well, we can't do them instead of math games, but if we have some free time this for quilt squares? Okay. Hands down, raise your hand if you would like to do a different activity instead of quilt squares. Alright, so for those of you who wanted to do a different activity, we might be able to find time for that too as well. So we'll plan for right now for the afternoon, probably around 2:10 for your free time. It will be for working on your quilt squares, okay? That sound good? Alright.